In this video, I will show you how to perform maintenance on your IQJET. Switch to the Service section. Tap on Smart Care and Instructions. Tap on the Perform Maintenance button. On the first page, the assistant displays the number of the required maintenance kit. Always observe and follow the safety signs for this assistant. Below, you can see the tools you need for this activity. As soon as you have prepared everything, tap Next. Open the front door of the printer. Hold the main filter with the tag sticker to the RFID reader on the printer. Wait until the printer has read the data from the tag. Continue to hold the main filter in this position and tap Register. The printer displays information on the current and next maintenance date. Tap on Next. Wait as long as the printer prepares for maintenance. Remove the back panel. Tap on Next. Place a cleaning cloth in front of the printer. Swivel the module unit outwards. Hold the main filter and remove the retaining clip. Pull the main filter downwards out of the connections and place the main filter on the cloth. Close the main filter with the plugs. Tap on Next. Insert the new main filter into the connections and secure the main filter with the retaining clip. Tap on Next. Confirm that you have inserted and attached the main filter correctly. Observe the safety instructions for the further procedure. Tap on Next. Disconnect the suction pump plug from the circuit board. Release the suction pump. Disconnect the suction pump tubes. Remove the suction pump from the printer. Tap on Next. Attach the new suction pump to the printer. Connect the suction pump tubes. Pay attention to the markings on the connections. Connect the suction pump plug to the circuit board. Swivel the module unit inwards. Tap on Next. Confirm that the suction pump has been installed correctly. The printer prepares for the next maintenance steps. At this point, you can decide whether you want to replace the air filters. In this example, I will skip replacing the air filters. Attach the back panel. Tap on Next. Pull the print head out of the print head cover. Tap on Next. Place a cleaning cloth under the print head. Turn the print head so that the head filter is pointing vertically upwards. Hold the print head in this position. Unscrew the head filter. Screw the new head filter into the print head. Tap on Next. Confirm that the head filter is screwed in correctly. Position the nozzle sealing system in the service position. Tap on Move to Service Position. Remove the O-ring plate. Tap on Next. Attach the new O-ring plate. Make sure that the plate is not tilted. Confirm that the O-ring plate is installed correctly. Close the nozzle sealing system. Tap on Close Nozzle Sealing System. Slide the printhead back into the printhead cover. The printer completes the maintenance process. That's it. The maintenance is finished. Tap on End to finish the assistant.